Hi, I am Carlos. I'm a professional illustrator and character designer. I published a 5-star book alongside artists from Marvel and Netflix. I have created characters for a variety of clients, such as comics, packaging, and games. And one of those projects has even won an award for Best Art. Maybe your dream is to make a living as an artist, or maybe you just want to show off to your friends. Regardless of what your goal is, I have got you covered. Through the course of 9 chapters, I will walk you through my personal process for drawing faces and expressions that stand out. We'll start by doing some exercises to feed your confidence, and as we progress, you will learn how to add rhythm and emotions to any character. Better yet, you will even learn concepts such as how to apply cinematic light and shadows and how to color a character step by step. But wait, there's more. Each chapter has an assignment for you to apply what you learned. And I will personally review each of them, sometimes even redrawing over it in order to show you the best way to do it. I believe this is the best way to learn, and it's something you won't find in any courses out there for that price. So click the link on this page and save yourself years of study. I am Carlos Cabral, and this is Mastering Faces and Expressions for Characters 101.